An omelet is a really simple, satisfying meal that you can enjoy any time of day.
Working on an omelet could actually teach you a lot too, because you have to really learn how to control heat. As a good chef, that's like one of the hardest things to teach people. If you can get it like this where it's not brown, but it's cooked, you're controlling your heat.
We are at Make It Like Martha, making her famous 3-egg omelet.
With herbs.
And vodka.
And a mocktail? Kinda? No.
There ain't no mock in this tale. Roll tape.
Simple Blackberry
Yeah,
Sparkler.
there she is.
It's non-alcoholic.
God, she looks
Just
so
wondering.
good.
Do you like blackberries?
I love blackberries.
I
Do you like
love
blackberries?
We are going to take the most beautiful blackberries.
The most
These
beautiful
are
blackberries.
amazing.
I want one.
These
One
are
pint.
amazing.
Put them in the
Yeah,
food
did that.
processor
In the food processor.
and just grind them up. I'm going to cover this top because I don't want any
you know how to use
blackberry
this?
juice on my.
Cover the top. We don't want any blackberry juice on the sweater.
Have you ever had a blender mishap, by the way?
Oh, yeah, soup has touched the ceiling.
I've had
yeah.
several.
Okay, that looks good. Very dark.
Did these come from Martha's garden?
We are now going to put that into a very fine strainer because blackberries, you know, have very, very
Martha,
large
out.
seeds.
Oh, God.
And
Turn it
you
first,
don't
maybe?
want to really put those seeds into your drink.
Why did they have to make the food processor so complicated? How many
to a
top
second.
chef judges does it take to open?
This one's weird. I've never seen. There you go. Good job. What? Careful of your white pants, please. Put that in there.
Yeah, okay, I'm going to. If Martha told me to do this, I'm going to do it.
We're very bossy, Tom. I don't know if you've noticed.
You want 1.5 ounces of blackberry puree.
Okay. Gorgeous.
Okay, do we want booze? I think we want booze.
Yeah, we want booze. Do you want vodka booze or wine booze?
A little spritzer.
We'll do a
like.
little both.
Okay.
Is it bubbly?
No.
Oh, if it's not bubbly, then forget it.
Yeah, I don't know.
I don't like vodka. I don't drink vodka.
We're gonna mix it up. Oh, that's plenty. Oh my God, what are you doing? I don't think we're finished.
Stop.
Okay.
It's crazy.
Have you ever made a cocktail?
Okay, we're ready.
If you're not familiar with white cranberry juice, get some. It is really good.
Oh, we got
You can
some,
make
girl.
Oh, we have some, Martha.
Collagens.
Martha, we have white cranberry juice.
It adds the sweetness that your berries might not have.
What's the sweetest thing someone ever did for you?
The sweetest thing someone ever did for me, I don't know. My mother birthed me.
Great answer. Great answer. My wife packed my breakfast this morning on an ice pack.
That's sweet.
That is real
That's very sweet. Gail?
I don't know, my son the other night when we were going to sleep and he put his arms around me and he said, "I don't even need a stuffed animal. I have you, Mom." Oh. Melted my heart.
Cute.
And then top it off with some sparkling water.
There you go.
Not the blue bottle this year, you
can use
guys.
club soda.
Cover up the brand.
Or any of the sparkling mineral
Yeah,
waters.
they used to be
And
friendly.
there you have, and a sprig of mint.
It's gonna be strong.
Wait, sprig of mint,
glass.
sprig of mint.
Oh, sprig of mint?
Sprig o' mint. It wouldn't be Martha without Sprig o' mint.
But you gotta slap it.
You gotta push
Slap it.
Ow.
It's slapping. Like the kids say.
Wow.
It's slapping.
Look at this.
We ready?
I feel so Martha right now.
Cheers
Cheers
to Top Chef,
to Top Chef.
the greatest cooking show on the
And
planet.
that is a phenomenal drink. Really, really good.
Phenomenal.
Cheers, Martha.
Cheers.
And dog.
It's quite delicious.
I haven't had alcohol in a while.
Yeah. It's a lot of vodka, but you know. 5 o'clock somewhere.
What's next, Martha?
An omelet is a really simple, satisfying meal that you can enjoy any time of day. It's my go-to meal when I get home kind
I'm
of late.
assuming, she hasn't told me yet, but I'm assuming we're going to crack some eggs.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's her go-to meal when she gets home late. What's your go-to meal?
Whatever's in the fridge. Takeout, leftovers,
Generally anything with cheese in it.
ice cream?
Yeah, sometimes. Not with cheese in it.
No.
Cheesy ice cream.
So break your eggs. For this size pan, 3 eggs will be just perfect.
Nice.
Way ahead of you.
Fresh,
Shannon, Martha.
organically grown eggs, the best.
Are they from your
Anything
farm?
that
Are they from your chickens?
involves using eggs in your kitchen.
They're from Martha's Chicken.
Break the eggs up very well to incorporate lots of air. This is how you get a light, fluffy omelet. And for
Look at me.
omelets, try to
They look like
use
Martha.
clarified butter.
Clarified butter. I've got you. Turn up the stove.
Ooh. Turn up the stove and what else makes you hot? What makes you feel?
I am standing
hot.
right next to him.
What makes you feel hot? Woo, baby.
Perimenopause?
Like, right? I was a hot flash. What makes you feel?
95 degrees in our studio when we shoot.
Oh, so that.
Oh, I love that.
North
Oh,
Carolina.
I know. NASCAR on a 99
Oh,
degree
yeah,
day
that was
in Charlotte, North Carolina.
That was it.
A lot of-
You gonna put some butter
Use
in that thing?
approximately a tablespoon of butter.
That's
That was a
approximate.
crazy amount of tablespoon that she just did,
Up
though.
until
Yeah.
it is
That was a
hot,
ladle.
but not smoking.
Oh, too hot. We're too hot.
No,
Yeah,
no,
we're hot, we're hot.
I think it's good. Once this
Okay.
goes in, it's gonna
Yeah,
drop
yeah.
it.
Game time. Tom,
Here.
you want to play some guitar?
Game time. Tom, would you serenade Martha? Oh God. Would I serenade her? I don't know if I'll play,
This
but I don't
is
know if I'll
cooking.
serenade.
Yeah, no
Oh,
brown, no
wild.
brown, no brown.
Move that thing
Just
around.
you gotta.
I am. No, I don't think we want to do it too much.
Yeah, and then.
No, I got you. I got you.
And remember, the eggs should be at room temperature.
Yep. Now stop. Yeah.
Hey,
I like to
Sorry,
use
why? But
my
Martha's
fork.
not.
I
Martha's not
lift
moving
the
fast
pan
enough.
off the heat, and I pull in the edges. You want fluffy, light. Reduce the heat a little bit so the eggs will cook, and then you can also use a rubber spatula like this to pull the eggs. See how I'm pulling them to the center and filling up
great
the
egg
void
making
with the uncooked egg. And these cook
turn it off.
very, very quickly.
No, but those need to go turn.
Cook just until there are no more runny parts. The omelet will continue to cook when off the heat.
Got a little squish.
And sprinkle
Oh, no,
your
you don't
fine
want
herb
Herbs?
over
Are we doing
the
herbs?
egg.
Yeah.
Tarragon, chervil, parsley,
Here, I'll
and
turn
just
it.
a little bit of chive.
What makes the ultimate
Chervil.
omelet?
This is spinach.
No color
No color.
Yes.
and somewhat runny in the center. Not too runny, but just not so cooked.
You want tarragon?
Should we put some cheese?
All the cheese.
I don't know what that is, but I do think it needs a little cheese.
Yeah.
A nice rolled omelet is one side this way, and slide it to that part of the pan, and then onto a warm plate. Hold the pan this way in your hand. You see what I'm doing?
If you roll it
the
away-
egg
Yes, but
onto the plate.
this got broken anyway. So now, I'm moving. See, it got broken. Flip it. No, I
Yeah,
want
no.
Put that down.
Yeah, and then just flip it on top.
Yes.
There you go.
There we go.
Beautiful.
Just needed a sec, guys.
Beautiful.
There we go.
A little bit of butter.
I'm all ready.
Yeah.
And
Shine that up. You got to shine it up, Martha. Come on.
oh, you had the salt. Perfect.
Should we go in the center?
Yeah.
Sure.
It feels creamy.
It is creamy.
It looks buttery.
It looks great.
There's no brown.
There's a little bit of cheese, just the right amount.
Little cheese pull there happening. That's good.
Ooh. Silky. Custardy. Oopsies. So silky and custardy it fell off his
Very
fork.
satisfying.
I think
Clearly
it's
have an eating
delicious.
We made a lovely omelet.
It's delightful. Martha taught us how to make a lovely omelet.
She did.
Today.
I think the key to good eggs is not overcooking. You want to keep them yellow, not rubbery and overcooked and brown.
Working on an omelet could actually teach you a lot too, because you have to really learn how to control the heat. And as a good chef, that's like one of the hardest things to teach people is how to control the heat. So work on your omelet. If you can get it like this where it's not brown, but it's cooked, you're controlling your heat. That's what I say.
That's why he's Tom.
Tom Colicchio, everybody.